Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of our furry friends with the top 5 dog breeds that stand out for their unique qualities, loyalty, and charm. Whether you're a seasoned dog owner or considering your first pup, we've got you covered. From energetic companions to gentle giants, we'll explore what makes each breed special. The Doberman Pinscher is a remarkable breed known for its intelligence, loyalty, and striking appearance. Originally developed in Germany in the late 19th century by a tax collector named Carl Friedrich Louis Dobermann, the breed was intended for protection and as a guard dog. Intelligence and trainability. One of the standout traits of the Doberman is its high intelligence. They are quick learners and excel in obedience training, making them suitable for various roles beyond being family pets, such as service dogs, therapy dogs, and police or military dogs. Regular mental and physical stimulation is essential to keep them happy and engaged. Health considerations. While generally healthy, Dobermans can be prone to certain genetic health issues, including dilated cardiomyopathy, a heart condition, and hip dysplasia. Regular veterinary checkups and a balanced diet are crucial for their well-being. The Cane Corso is a majestic and powerful breed with a rich history rooted in ancient Italy. Originally bred as a working dog, the Cane Corso was used for a variety of purposes, including guarding property, hunting large game, and assisting farmers with livestock. Temperament. Known for their loyalty and devotion, Cane Corsos are deeply attached to their families. They are protective by nature, making them excellent guard dogs. However, with proper training and socialization, they can also be affectionate and gentle, particularly with children. Health considerations. While generally robust, Cane Corsos can be prone to certain health conditions, including hip dysplasia, heart issues, and certain skin conditions. Regular veterinary checkups, a balanced diet, and proper exercise are essential for their overall well-being. The Rottweiler is a strong and confident breed with a long history as a working dog. Originating in Germany, Rottweilers were initially used for herding livestock and pulling carts, making them essential companions for farmers and merchants. Intelligence and trainability. Highly intelligent and eager to please, Rottweilers respond well to training. They thrive on positive reinforcement techniques and enjoy engaging in various activities such as obedience training, agility, and even search and rescue. Consistency and leadership from their owners are essential to guide them effectively. Originally developed in Germany in the late 19th century for herding and protecting sheep, the breed has since excelled in various roles, including police, military, search and rescue, and service dogs. Intelligence and trainability. German Shepherds are highly intelligent and one of the easiest breeds to train. They thrive on mental stimulation and enjoy learning new tasks. Positive reinforcement methods work best with this breed, and they excel in obedience training, agility, and various dog sports. Their eagerness to please and ability to learn quickly make them outstanding working dogs. Temperament. Known for their loyalty and protective instincts, German Shepherds are devoted companions that form strong bonds with their families. They are confident and courageous, making them excellent guard dogs. While they can be wary of strangers, proper socialization ensures they are well-adjusted and friendly. Their playful and affectionate nature makes them great with children and family activities. Originally bred in Germany in the late 19th century, Boxers were developed from a mix of Bulldogs and Bull and Weisser, initially used for hunting and guarding. Today, they are cherished family pets and loyal companions. Intelligence and trainability. Boxers are intelligent and eager to learn, but they can also be somewhat stubborn. Early socialization and consistent training are essential to help them develop good manners and obedience. Positive reinforcement methods work best, as Boxers respond well to praise and rewards. They enjoy engaging activities, so incorporating fun into training can be highly effective. Temperament. Boxers are known for their friendly and outgoing personalities. They are highly social dogs that thrive on human interaction and companionship. Playful and affectionate, Boxers are especially great with children, often forming strong bonds with family members. While they are generally good-natured, their protective instincts make them excellent watchdogs.